Take your Toyota RAV4 experience to a whole new level with the FH Group made-to-order seat covers custom fit for your Toyota RAV4 LE XLE Limited. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. Begin by stretching the passenger's bottom cover over the seat. Feed the hook and loop straps into the crevice and fasten to the underside of the seat bottom. Then, use the hook and loop straps up front and fasten them to the fabric under the seat. Tuck the fabric around the seat bottom and into the base for a snug fit. Now, place the driver's side seat bottom cushion on. Push the hook and loop straps through the crevice and fasten underneath. Then, use the foam strip along the hemline on the front and side and tuck it into the crevice of the base for a secure fit. Next, remove the headrests. Then, starting with the front bucket seats, stretch the backrest cover over the seat. Using the cutouts, tuck the fabric around and under the base of the headrest. Now, push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom. From the rear and under the seat, secure the straps using the hook and loop adhesive sides. Then, unfold the seat cover and fasten it to the seat with the hook and loop closure. Next, you will need to pop up the rear bench seat bottom. Use your hands to separate the seat from the base and pull upward to release the seat on both the left and right sides. You will see that the base has plastic inserts and on the bottom of the seat has metal brackets. Insert the brackets back into the inserts to reinstall. Now you will be able to extend the straps under the seat bottom and secure the cover. Next, remove the headrests. Then stretch the fabric over each section of the rear backrest. Tuck the straps through the crevice. Fasten the straps to the back side of the rear backrest with the hook and loop straps. Then, secure the covers to the sections of the backrest with the hook and loop adhesive sides. Finally, reconnect the headrests and slip all the headrest covers on. And that's it! Enjoy the total RAV4 experience like never before and appreciate the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed custom-fit neoprene seat covers.